Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you to get the IMVU mod so you can get unlimited credits and vcoins. So as you can see, I got 44,000 credits right now, and we can also get free vcoins and anti-ban. Make sure you turn that one on at all times. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this IMVU mod. So the first thing we need to do is go to tweakmod.com and type IMVU, press install, and it's going to start installing it. So it works on iPhone and Android, so it doesn't matter what device you got. But let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So before it downloads, you may see something come up and tell you to download some missing apps. So it's like a verification. That's normal. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see, to finish loading. So yeah, it's not my type of thing, but I had to do it because I wanted the IMVU mod. I know you guys probably don't want to do it either, but it's pretty easy to do. So basically, guys, it's going to come up to this page, and we just have to get the missing apps. So as you can see, there's tons of them, but I would just do Travel Town, to be honest with you, because it's a game, and you literally just got to reach level 10. So it's fairly easy to do. Here's the game. This is one of the ones I did, but yeah, you don't have to do it. You could do like Merged Gardens, where you got to reach level 9, or one of those. So that's how you get the IMVU mod. You get free credits and vcoins into your game, and it is super insane, bro. So yeah, this actually works. So yeah, as you can see, I got 44,000 credits right now, so this is super wild. And yeah, so be sure to try this out if you play IMVU. It's fairly easy. You just gotta go to tweakmod and type IMVU, press install, and it will start downloading. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane and it fully works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one. Tell your friends about it. It's super crazy. See you in another video, and peace out, bro.